Hello, welcome. I am quickly going to show you how I create my channel banner quite easily, considering the fact that I do not have prior knowledge of graphic design, so this is very beginner friendly. Let's start. Okay, to start off, we need to get the templates for our YouTube banner. So search for YouTube banner template, then sort your search to images. Once you select images, only images will come up. When you have this very first black one is fine. Select that so that it opens up, then right click and download, or press down and download. Once you have it downloaded, it has different features for different devices. When people are watching your videos, and people are watching your videos on their phones, this inner very darkest part is what they see. On tablet, it extends to this a little bit lighter dark place. On desktop, it shows all across. Then on TV, it shows the whole screen. You can see here, that's why it is labeled that way: TV, desktop, tablet and mobile. So you can search for aesthetic backgrounds, and you can also make your background more precise. So here I have aesthetic red and yellow background. Whatever you want, you make it precisely that. Stay away from images that says license able. So from my home screen, I select PixArt. Once the app opens up, you click on the plus button there and all photos. I am using the free version, so just close that. As I was saying, import the template we downloaded. Click on add image so that we can add our background. You can choose anyone from the ones you downloaded, or you click on free to edit, and here you have variety of images you can use for free as your background. So I am going to scroll through real fast. Feel free to select anyone that anyone that vibes right with you. I think I like this one. Let's use this one. Remember, you are going to stretch out the image, so have that in mind. I like this one. It's so simple and nice. Just reverse and stretch it to cover the whole screen. I really like this one. I think I am going to use this one. Remember, you can crop it and use any section of the image that you like. You stretch out that area. You are done. Reduce the opacity, as you can see here, so that you can also see the template behind through the picture you are using. It's time to import the image I will be using for my banner. From add image, you click on browse and scroll through your own photo library and select the image or images you want. Through your gallery, once you have selected the picture you want, you click on it and click on add. Now we are going to clip off your photo from the background it came with, so click on cut out and select person. Once it is done, shrink the picture to fit in that darkest section for mobile phones. Remember, our work now is to ensure that it is okay for mobile phone. Don't worry about the template showing. When you are done and increase the opacity, the template will be completely hidden. It is just there to guide you in your design, so let it fit. Remember, that darkest area is what you see on your phone. Put in your picture where you want it to fit there. Now we are going over to the text. I am just going to type my channel name. I want Diaries to be on either side of my picture with my photo in the middle, so that is what I am going to do now. Now use these features to customize your font. Go through the font size, the color, the shadow, opacity. Just play around with that. until you fill in all the text that you need to be on your banner. This should include your channel name, your frequency of posting, and your areas and the topics you talk about on your channel. So for mine, I am just going to play around and fill in those fonts to, to cover up everything I want on my channel. Always, if you remember to click on the empty space outside of your template for everything to reset, then you click on the part you are editing. If I am editing diaries and I mistakenly click on the picture, you have to click on the empty space outside of where you're working, then you click on just diaries again to activate just that. So any section you want to work on, click on empty space and then click on that section. If I want to edit hairstyle, I am going to click on empty space and then click on hairstyle to edit just hairstyle. You can stop at intervals to increase the opacity of your background picture so that you see exactly how your banner is going to look when it has been uploaded. Remember that every vital information should be able to show in that innermost dark area, which is for mobile format, because you don't want people on mobile phones to not see every single details of your channel. So every important thing fits there: font color, the type of fonts, the placement, everything that needs to be obvious in the mobile format. So now extending to the desktop format, I am just going to add extra pictures at the end of the sections, just so people on desktop can see something interesting going on there. So you select the picture from your library. Remember, you also cut it out to take off the background and place it on the two sides of what we have done already, making sure that you do not cross the top and bottom boundary of the darker black area. So now adding pictures for the TV area, I am going to see if adding pictures will be enough, and if I will like it, you can add text or subscribe or whatever you want on that section, but it's only people that are watching on television that will see this whole screen. So I played around with it and I just ended up with just one picture down there, which is fine. I mean, resize the picture according to YouTube format and then save your picture by clicking on the save button up there. I am now about to make another video on how to upload your channel banner. The link will be attached to the end of this video. I have other videos that will interest a YouTuber, like the 2 easiest way to upload your thumbnail. Do well to check them out. The playlist to this video and the links will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. All the best with your channel.